Na kajing kanra ka Assam igi Mynder kalawan ra kajing Syier igi jela Meghalaya ru yo bakin wan wat jakari shikani igi jela. Halo kani mentakas ngi ka afsau tarik naitung ajalsan umutirang ba ka jela konrat kisang mau lalu mnagi jingelang barki officer bat ula betharu igi board district bakin long ba pej perman bat huser kamtam haki jaka kaput bat ka Assam. Ka Assam kala penlong igi jing Kyndang igi Mynder kamtam gibre wanrung beany na Bangladesh daga penhel kerat naphang hakini sngi gibra skut jakatu igi jaka sroka tilang ba kajela konat kisang ma la ong ba la betha igi borstrik balong iba pej perman ba khanang ba ki Mynder iba syabe na Assam kin om yo rung Meghalaya kat kum jing tilang ba kadon kam kajing ya trilang nadu gi board district ki pulit ki village defense party bat ki klit nong social snong ban ya sam jing tip hakapor babiang khrang ban sim yak senjam gi badon kam tilang ba ong ru hadu mata pat don setia kano ke jing jia ni ka report ba wan rung gi breu ba sya Kyndang na Assam ha kano district ha Meghalaya.
Today we had a meeting along with the Chief Secretary, DGP, Additional Chief Secretary Home, and officials from the political department, and the deputy commissioners of different districts of our state. The purpose of this meeting was to discuss the overall effect of the recent eviction drive that has been taking place in the state of Assam. Based on that, the government has been continuously engaging with the deputy commissioners to ensure that the deputy commissioners further engage with the block level, the BDO officials, as well as the thanas, the police personnels, the VDPs in different villages, different NGOs, and different traditional heads. And all this communication and overall interaction is being done to ensure that there is no infiltration or movement that takes place because of the eviction that is taking place in Assam into our state of Meghalaya. There are certain vulnerable districts, especially bordering Assam and closer to the areas where the eviction drive in Assam is going on. Hence, special attention is being given in those districts. And we had, as I said, a review meeting today where all the officials involved were present, and we have been reported and informed that no incident has taken place in any of the districts, and that all the district administration, the police, the VDPs, the different village level committees, the different traditional heads, the different NGOs, all are being coordinated with to ensure that any information that we receive on any movement or any individuals coming in will be informed immediately to us, and appropriate action will be taken. So a review took place today for that at my level, and we have given necessary instructions to be on alert, especially in the border areas, especially the ones that are bordering Assam, and especially the ones that are bordering the areas where the eviction drive is taking place. Thank you.